Welcome to the J&J Auto test video of shfa347. Today we have a bitchin' 2017 Fiat 124 Spider Abarth. Bad boy has 59,764 miles on it. Trucked this thing in from California. We just don't see these things too often here in Ohio. Obviously involved in a front end collision. Still has coolant. All the tires were facing the right direction, so I took it down the road. It's kind of fun, a little overhyped. Sorry Fiat 124 guys, that is not fast. But nonetheless, a pretty cool car. 1.4 multi-air, 6-speed manual transmission, limited slip differential, some fake Volk TE37s. A lot of cool stuff on the inside. Not really 6'1", 240 friendly guy, but hey, you can't win them all. Let's step inside here and test out some parts. By step I mean slide, because I'm fat and this thing does not like me. Power windows both work. Let me get that air conditioning going. Why? Because I'm a pansy. AC's going. Mirrors are working. All right, let's take you guys on a little drive, I guess. You can see what it's all about. I mean, it's zippy. I'll give you that. It's zippy, but I don't know. It's a cute little car. It's eclectic. Runs great though. I mean, I took it up and down the road. Really nowhere we can do anything fun out here. Gravel kind of ruins that. We don't have much dirt anymore. Look, our burn barrel. I don't know, you guys are getting an impromptu tour of J&J Auto Wrecking. Why? Because I can. She runs great. This motor is phenomenal. Transmission works good. Don't mind my exhaust that's hitting everything. UPS is picking up for the day. There's Tony. What's up, guy? Yeah, I don't know. Let's go ahead and put this thing away, guys. That is going to wrap up the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of our 2017 Fiat 124 Spider Abarth. Look, another one. If you guys are new here, thanks for watching. Here's all the cars we're going to be parting out. Subscribe to see all of these